hardly dare to speak. And as you hold me tight, I feel your breath upon my cheek. The images of our daytime so quickly fade away. The things that we have found to share have made up every day. A tremble rushes through me as you hold me tight. There's nowhere I would rather be all through this lovely night. This
That's it.